Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to download Udemy courses in PC. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So in here, I have here open browser. So for example, I can actually just search in here for Udemy. So in here, you can see this udemy.com, so you can click on that. And then from in there, you can see in here some courses already that you can choose from, like this learning comes from you. And you can also see in here some more courses that you can choose. So in here, you can actually sort it out by Python, by Excel, web development, and all of these things right here. So for example, you want to actually get these courses right here. First thing you need to do is just click on this add to cart button. So in here, once you have added this to cart, let's click on this go to cart right here. Once you have done that, you can see your shopping cart. So from in there, just head over and click on this checkout right here. Now in here, you need to sign up, and in here, once you start signing up on this Udemy course, you can head over and buy this specific thing right here. So you can see in here the price. In order to download this specific course, you need to head over and first buy it. You don't need to get it from some unknown sources because that will give risk to your device or to your computer. So make sure to download it at actual or legitimate courses or sources right here. So just buy this and you should be able to download it directly to your actual Gmail or to your actual device. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.